Looking for reliable performance without breaking the bank? The best air compressor for painting cars ensures you can easily handle tasks like inflating tires, powering tools, and cleaning surfaces. Compact, efficient, and user-friendly, perfect for every DIY enthusiast at home. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT Car Painting Air Compressor. The DEWALT air compressor is a powerful and versatile tool designed for both home and professional use, making it one of the most reliable options for DIY enthusiasts and tradespeople alike. Its high-pressure inflation mode with automatic shutoff ensures precise and safe inflation for tires, sports equipment, and other inflatables, eliminating the risk of overinflation. One of the standout features of this compressor is its high-volume inflation and deflation modes, which allow users to switch between tasks effortlessly and save time. The inclusion of an LED light adds convenience for nighttime use or poorly lit areas, ensuring that you can work without straining your eyes. Another impressive aspect is the 3 power sources, including the 20V max battery, 12V DC, and 110V AC, which make this unit highly adaptable whether you're working on a job site, in the garage, or outdoors. The heavy-duty rubber feet provide stability and reduce walking when the compressor is in use, which adds to its ease of operation. The threaded chuck ensures a secure connection to any inflation valve during use, preventing air leaks during use. Number 2. CARSUN Car Painting Air Compressor. The CARSUN air compressor is a portable, multifunctional inflator that stands out for its versatility and user-friendly features. Its dual AC-DC power supply design allows it to draw power from both a vehicle's 12V cigarette lighter and a standard 110V wall outlet, making it convenient for use at home, on the road, or during outdoor activities. This flexibility ensures users can inflate car tires, motorcycle tires, bicycle tires, air mattresses, inflatable boats, and sports equipment without worrying about power availability. The compressor's metal motor delivers high pressure and fast inflation, capable of outputting up to 150 psi. For instance, it can inflate a standard car tire from 0 psi to 36 psi in just 5 minutes, significantly reducing wait times. It also features an intelligent auto shutoff system and memory function, allowing users to preset pressure values for different tasks and have the device automatically stop when the desired pressure is reached. This enhances safety and precision while preventing overinflation. And an integrated LED light ensures visibility in low light conditions. With its 3 additional adapters, it supports a wide range of inflatables, making it a practical all-in-one solution for home and outdoor use. Number 3. AstroAI Car Painting Air Compressor. The AstroAI air compressor is a versatile and highly efficient tire inflator designed to meet the needs of both home users and travelers. It features dual power compatibility, working with 12V DC car cigarette lighters and 120V AC household outlets, providing flexibility for use at home, on the road, or even during camping trips. The compressor offers 2 inflation modes: high-pressure mode for car, bicycle, and motorcycle tires, and high-volume mode for larger inflatables like air mattresses. With dual metal motors and a robust metal cylinder, the AstroAI compressor delivers rapid inflation rates, capable of pumping a standard car tire from 0 psi to 36 psi in about 6 minutes. The large volume mode can output up to 350 liters per minute, efficiently inflating bigger objects. One of its most innovative features is the OmniVent heat dissipation system, which uses axial flow fan blades and redesigned air ducts to keep the unit cool during continuous operation. The automatic shutoff function ensures safety and prevents overinflation, while the memory function recalls previous pressure settings for faster future use. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN Car Painting Air Compressor. The CRAFTSMAN air compressor is a compact yet powerful tool designed to meet the demands of home, garage, and workshop tasks. Despite its portable 19-pound design, this unit delivers impressive performance with its 2-gallon tank, 1/3 HP UMC motor, and maximum pressure of 125 psi. It provides stable airflow while maintaining low energy consumption, making it efficient for a variety of tasks. The compressor comes with multiple inflation fittings and adapters, enabling users to handle tire inflation, painting, nailing, fastening, and even bookbinding or carpentry tasks. High-performance blowgun, tire pressure gauge, and multiple couplers, providing an all-in-one solution for both professional and DIY projects. Users benefit from fast inflation speeds and consistent performance, whether inflating tires, powering pneumatic tools, or performing light workshop tasks. The CRAFTSMAN air compressor's combination of portability, versatility, and durability makes it ideal for anyone seeking a reliable, space-saving solution for home use or job site applications. Number 5. DENVIX Car Painting Air Compressor. The DENVIX air compressor is an innovative and highly portable tire inflator that combines speed, power, and convenience for home and travel use. With its high-performance motor, it can inflate a standard car tire from 0 psi to 36 psi in just 6 minutes, and even top off Tesla tires in under a minute, making it an excellent choice for emergency situations or busy users. Its 15,000 mAh large-capacity battery allows multiple uses without frequent recharging, powering up to 7 vehicle tires, 31 bicycles, and other inflatables, while also functioning as a portable charger for phones, tablets, and laptops. This dual functionality ensures that the compressor is highly versatile for both inflation tasks and electronic device charging. It also features 4 lighting modes: bright white, normal white, yellow camping light, and flashing red emergency signal, with a long-lasting battery life for extended use outdoors or during nighttime emergencies. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.